got a lot of Supreme shirts. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. Let me take this off. Here we go, baby. Lakers, man. What's up, y'all, man? I finally got a chance to go through all my Supreme shirts, and I got way too many Supreme shirts, man. I'm not gonna lie though, man. I love them all. I like them a lot. Well, I paid my money for them. I love them all, man. So in this video, I just want to show y'all some of the Supreme shirts that's like my favorites. Not going to be all of them, just a couple. I don't want the video to be too long. Let's get it. Like I said, I got way too many Supreme shirts, man. Starting out, one of my favorites. It's a new one, I think last summer, but one of my favorites. My photo tees are usually my favorite. I'm not going to show all of them, but this one is one of my favorite photo tees, man. This sneaker came out same time as the Doritos here, man, and I was ecstatic to put this together, man. But it wasn't just the colorway that made me love this tee. It's Andre 3K, man. He's one of the most mysterious artists we ever known. He just put out a Flute album, guys. So this is why this is hot to me, man. I love Andre 3K. I love how he got on Supreme in the photo. Sometimes Supreme just take photos that we already seen. He actually has Supreme on the photo, making this one of my favorites. Let's stay with the photo tees, man. Tyler, the Creator. Not one of my favorite artists. I actually just started listening to him a couple years ago. But, man, look at his fit. Look at his fit on this photo tee, man. This is special, guys. I like it, and I'm always going to love the red colorway. But I like it just because of his fit on, man. And he actually wearing Supreme, too. Getting off the photo tees for a while, but not really. That Scarface collab for Supreme was one of the greatest. I actually jumped on board with Supreme after the Scarface collab. So on the back of the tee, it looks like when Scarface is either, when it's coming on, when it's telling you the whole story of what's going on, and then this iconic scene right here, man, the shower curtain, where he about to die, they just killed his cousin. This scene is remarkable, guys. I love this tee. That Scarface collab with Supreme was out of this world. This colorway right here that Supreme do is one of my favorites, but this tee wasn't that popular. And I can see why. The front of the tee is all bling. I just love the colorway. But the back, man, the reverse or backwards Supreme logo and that varsity look, super dope. They had this in a lot of colors, but this colorway right here, I really, really like. Told you I like this colorway, but it's not the colorway with this tee. The Naomi tee was a must for me. In all colors, man. I had the yellow. I got rid of it early because I had too much yellow Supreme at the time. But, man, just look at it, man. You got the colorful Supreme words. Supreme is actually spelled P-R-E-A-M, if I can remember. Look at Naomi, man. Very beautiful. I love this tee, guys. And another beautiful tee with a motto. The Gremlin tee, man. The Greta tee by the Gremlins. Her name is Greta, man. I don't know if y'all old enough to have seen this movie. I can't even remember the movie. It's like I was young, man. But I remember the theme of the movie, man. The Gremlin, she's all dressed up and nice. Super dope. I love it. I love this tee. But this tee went under the radar because that's the back. And the front just has a Supreme hit on the front. So that's why this tee went under the radar. But, man, this is a super dope tee. All right, let's bring out some new tees. This tee is gonna go on my favorite, even if the tee was dirty and dirt and terrible. This is the big tee, man. I'm from Brooklyn. I'm from New York. Big is that dude to us, man. I love this Biggie tee. I also love it because it's on a Jordan material. Not saying Supreme material is bad, because Supreme have some good material. But the Jordan Supreme collab, Biggie Smalls, man, another must-have in my opinion. And they found the picture of Big with some Jordan on. The Raphael T. Now let me tell y'all something about this, man. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, TMNT, been everywhere for the last couple of years. They on Call of Duty. I'm about to go jump on that. They in Fortnite now. They're everywhere now. Whoever owns that licensing brand is letting everybody get it, man. But this one right here, look, still tagged up and everything, is the Raphael T in the navy colorway, right? Is it navy? Yeah, in the navy colorway. I know it might look black. No, it looks blue. In that navy colorway. Oh, SB4s, man. My SB4s might have something, man. Raphael T. One of my favorites because Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles was one of my favorites growing up as a kid. But Raphael wasn't my favorite, man. Let me know in the comment section below who was your favorite. I was a Leonardo, Donatello dude. I thought Mikey was funny. I liked Ralph, but he just wasn't my favorite. But this picture is super hard, and they put the Supreme logo on his bandana. Alright, we do a couple more, man. Again, I don't want the video to be too long. We're going back to the photo tees. The Queen Bee, Little Kim, man. This is her classic album cover, man. Little Kim was Nicki Minaj, Cardi B, all of them before they were them. She was her, man. And then on the back, you got her famous line to one of the dopest verses she ever had. I love it, man. She don't have Supreme on. She barely got anything on. This tee is hard, and I think in the pink colorway was the hardest. Stay in pink, man. I like this tee. I mean, Kif did Sesame Street the best, and the Muppets the best. But this Miss Piggy tee and the sticker to come with it was super hard, man. I like this in the pink colorway again. The back says kissy kissy. You know that's something that Miss Piggy says. But I love how on the little circle picture, Supreme has the money logo on it. I like this tee. And the last one for this video, it's not my favorite. It's not even like one of my second favorites. But I feel like I gotta put it up here because it's the 30th anniversary tee. In the white colorway. So you know it really, really ain't my favorite. But the meaning means something. I like that, man. I like that Supreme always counts and shows up. I like this, man. So the tee has a tee on it with all the Supreme graphics from 94 to 2024. So yeah, this was the last year tee. Got the little band in the back. So that's why I put this up here. Yes, sir, man. So I got tees on top of tees, man. You want to see another video like this? Give me up to 15 likes, man, and I'll come back and do another video, show y'all some more Supreme accessories, Supreme tees, Supreme box logos, whatever y'all want to see, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.